Storytime muna tayo. Kasi every time pumupunta ako dito sa Madonna, napapaisip talaga ako kung gaano nakalayo yung property na to from when I first had started selling here. Yung very first client ko dito sa Madonna nag-reserve noong September 2022. Sila Mommy Shay and
Ba,
Daddy
mamalaya
Bin,
po.
who you probably know now as Life with Arkia. And guys, nung nag-reserve sila dito, wala pang nakatayang bahay. As in, ibang-iba pa talaga itong Madonna noon. Fast forward to today, halos 40 clients na ang bumili sa akin dito sa Madonna. And seeing their homes getting built, turned over, furnished, and eventually lived in, sobrang fulfilling talaga. From an empty development before, ngayon ang dami ng beautiful homes and families dito. And speaking of Madonna, kung naghahanap ka pa ng unit, ito yung available as of today. So sa Block 3, ito yung available natin, Abigail unit. Tapos kanina sa block 5 yung pinakita ko, 3 units pa yung available. And then sa last block natin, which is block 26, may available pa na Rojul unit. So yes, very limited na lang talaga yung available. Actually, out of my almost 40 clients dito, 7 na lang ang hinihintay kong ma-turnover hopefully this year. From reservations in 2022 to homes and families today, ito na yung Madonna. If Madonna has been on your list, maybe this is your sign to finally check the remaining units. Thank you!